Cryptocurrency has been one of the most exciting yet volatile investment opportunities in recent years. With the ups and downs of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, many investors are wondering, is it still worth investing in crypto in 2025? In this video, we'll break down the latest trends, potential risks, and key strategies to help you decide whether crypto should be a part of your portfolio this year. The crypto market has gone through several boom and bust cycles. Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate, while new altcoins and blockchain projects emerge every year. In 2025, we are seeing a more mature market with increasing institutional adoption, new regulations, and better security measures. Key factors shaping the market. Institutional investors are still interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Regulations are becoming clearer, reducing uncertainty. New blockchain innovations like DeFi 2.0, Web3, and artificial intelligence-driven cryptocurrencies are emerging. Despite past volatility, cryptocurrencies continue to attract long-term investors. Here's why crypto might still be a good investment in 2025. Bitcoin as digital gold. BTC remains a strong hedge against inflation and fiat currency devaluation. Adoption growth. More businesses and financial institutions are integrating crypto payments. DeFi and Web3 expansion. Decentralized finance and blockchain applications are creating new investment opportunities. High growth potential. Cryptos like Ethereum, Solana, and newer blockchain projects continue to evolve and gain traction. But, as with any investment, there are risks you need to consider before jumping in. Regulatory uncertainty. Some governments may impose stricter rules on trading and taxation. Market volatility. Crypto prices can still experience extreme swings in short periods. Security risks. Hacking, scams, and fraudulent projects remain concerns in the space. Overhyped projects. Many altcoins and meme coins lose value after initial hype fades. That's why doing your own research is crucial before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you're considering investing in crypto this year, here are some smart strategies to minimize risks and maximize gains. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one coin. Mix Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising altcoins. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest small amounts regularly instead of making one big purchase. Secure your investments. Use hardware wallets and enable two-factor authentication on exchanges. Focus on long-term potential. Instead of chasing quick profits, invest in solid projects with real-world utility. So, should you still invest in crypto in 2025? It depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you believe in blockchain technology and are willing to hold through market fluctuations, crypto can still be a valuable part of a diversified portfolio. However, if you're looking for quick, risk-free gains, this may not be the best choice for you. Want to start investing? Check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto and finance insights.